In this video, I will show you how to play Soul of Ring Revive on PC. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. Now, it is absolutely possible to play this on your PC. In order to do this, you're going to want to come across to this website. What I will do is leave a link to this website in the video description down below. So if you click onto the link in the video description, that's going to take you across to this website. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is press the blue play on PC button just here, and what it's going to do is actually download something onto your PC called BlueStacks. Now BlueStacks is actually an emulator, so what that means is it basically is a program, an app that allows you to play mobile games on your PC. So what you want to do is download that and then click onto this to run the installation wizard. So once you've gone ahead and installed BlueStacks, as you can see it looks like this, just go ahead and press the blue launch button. What that's going to do is load up BlueStacks on your PC. So here we are, this is what BlueStacks looks like. Now to go ahead and get Soul of Ring, what you're going to want to do is come up to the search box at the top and just go ahead and search for Soul of Ring. So just type that in here and press enter. And here we are, as you can see, Soul of Ring Revive is just here. So go ahead, give that a click. And what that's going to do is take you to a page like this. Now from here, just come up and press the green install button to start installing this onto your PC via BlueStacks. It just takes a minute or two to download, of course dependent on your internet connection. And as you can see, Soul of Ring Revive is now installed. So you're going to see the green play button come up. So all you want to do is press onto the green play button. And as you can see, this is now loading up the game. So we've got this on screen controller, but what you can do is connect a gamepad. If you come down to the bottom right hand corner to this settings icon, click onto the gear icon, and you will see on this menu on the left hand side, you've got the option for gamepad just here. So what you can do is actually connect gamepad and you can map your controller to whatever you want. But as you can see, this is just loading through, so we just want to wait a minute or two for that to load through and update. Then we're just going to click onto enter game and this is going to load through, and here we are as you can see in game. So this works absolutely fine. You can see this is working absolutely fine. We're able to play this no problem at all, and that's how to go ahead and play Soul of Ring Revive on PC. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.